Hello, today we are going to learn how to do this. This is like a treasure map. Again, you can see footsteps going to the treasure. I will look for free ones and look for photos, and we'll choose this. So what we're going to do is, so we are going to enlarge it. So now we're going to look for footsteps. Go back to elements, and this time we will look at footprints. Now we look for footprints. Go click on graphics, and let's choose that one. And you're going to crop it. So let's crop it. So we'll make it a bit smaller and we'll bring it here. Let's duplicate it. So for this one, go up here to flip and you flip horizontal. So that. So let's duplicate this about 3 more times. So there's another one here. We can adjust it in a while. Let's just move that a bit more here. So we're going to have that. Just rotate it a bit. Right here. Right here. And we're going to rotate that. And now this one. This one, we're going to do the same. We're going to rotate it. I'm just going to make it a bit smaller and bring it here. And for the photo, we're just going to make it there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the timing. Okay, so let's put the elements there first. So the next one is we're going to look for the next one. We're going to look for treasure chest. We're looking for graphics, and let's put in a couple here. Let's flip it the other way around. That one. Flip that position, make it backward. So now that we've done this, we're going to do the timing. See? So right click it and it says show timing. So that's the first one that's going to come, so that's fine. That's the second one. So again, it's show timing. So what we're going to do is we're just going to move it a bit. That's the third one. So we're going to move it even more. That's the fourth one. A bit more. So right now, let's just move it to see how it's going to be. And finally, that one. Let's play that. So you can adjust how fast it goes, and then it comes to the treasure chest. So now that this is done, we play this again. So if we play this, you can adjust the timings to see how fast it goes. So right about here, okay, let's just split the page. And now we're going to put some text. Okay, so let's put a text, a subheading here, and let's just say you have, you can change, let's change it to that, and we can change the color to red, and let's just go to effects, and let's just give it a bit of a curve. Let's, and you can animate it. So what I'm going to do is we're going to animate it with the typewriter effect. So I'm going to do the typewriter effect. Okay, you can do this. You can adjust the speed, so you go faster. This is how it is. So now let's play this. Now let's say you want this to come after the footsteps. Okay, so what you can do is again right click it, show timing, and this time you can adjust it to, so you just keep moving this till the last one is there. Okay? So that's when that's going to come. So you go back here and you do the same thing as well. And let's say you want it to come at the same time. So now if you play, I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please do consider subscribing. Thank you.